Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive emails in Gmail like a pro. If your inbox feels cluttered or you want to bring back important emails quickly, these simple steps will make your email management much smoother. Let's start with archiving an email. First, open your Gmail account. On the main inbox page, find the email you want to hide. To select it, click the small checkbox to the left of the message. This tells Gmail which email you're targeting. Once it's selected, look at the top of your inbox for a row of icons and click the archive icon. It looks like a little filing box with a downward arrow. As soon as you click it, the email disappears from your main inbox but remains safely stored in Gmail, keeping your inbox neat without losing anything important. Now, what if you need that email back? No worries. On the left-hand side of Gmail, scroll down and click More, then select All Mail. This section shows every email, including archived ones. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the email you want. Once you locate it, select it using the checkbox. Then, click the Move to Inbox icon at the top. Just like that, the email returns to your main inbox, making it visible alongside your other recent messages. And there you have it, a simple, reliable way to keep your Gmail organized. By regularly archiving and unarchiving emails, you can maintain a clutter-free inbox while keeping important messages just a few clicks away.